Yo guys, welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday, 13th of August 2023. This is GBP USD. I'm trading GBP USD right now, which is the only pair I trade. So my bias on this trade is to go short. So you may be wondering, why am I willing to go short? Because I have more bearish conferences than bullish conferences. So before I enter every trade, I make sure to check all my conferences. Those are my conferences right here. We have the M or W chart pattern, we have the trend line, psychological level, high and low of the week. So it depends on where they are on a particular position on my chart, and then that's how I enter my trades. So right now, I have more bearish signals than bullish signals. So let's now check. For example, now we have an uptrend and we have a downtrend line. So let's check my chart. This is my chart for the trade that's coming tomorrow. So I'm making sure to get everything ready today. So tomorrow, I'm ready. So now we have the downward trend line on the 1 hour time frame, and you can check it here, downward trend line on the 1 hour time frame, right? You can check again, upward trend line on the 1 hour time frame. Check here, upward trend line on the 1 hour time frame. So normally, you see in school they used to teach people like minus plus, minus and plus, like minus plus minus 1 plus 1 equals 0. So we have two trend lines, downwards and upwards. So that means it's 0. Like if you don't have any other confluence, like you should not enter a trade, because upward and downwards are there at the same time. So it's 0. Like you don't have to take any trade. You have to wait for like confirmations or anything to make it two trades vs one, or three trades vs sorry, two conferences vs one, or three conferences vs one before you go. But if it's one vs one, it's 0. You should not take any trade, right? So now we have the upward trend line, downward trend line, sorry, and then we have psychological level 1.2700. So this is the psychological level here, 1.27000. So why did I put bearish for the psychological level? Simply because the psychological level now is acting as a resistance level. Why do I say it's acting as a resistance level? Because see here, I put hanging man resistance bearish, right? So this candlestick right here, this green candlestick right here, is a hanging man. What's a hanging man candlestick? A hanging man candlestick is a single candlestick that indicates that price is going to go downwards after a trend line, an uptrend. So this trend line now is showing that it's an uptrend, right? And then we have the hanging man right here that is showing that it's the end of the uptrend, and it has formed exactly under the resistance level. That means that, like, in a period of time, bearish people, like, bears have pushed the price down, and then bulls have tried to push the price back up, but they were not able to close it, right? They just pushed it up close to open, so they were not able to do it, and then bears came back in. So that indicates that price is not able to break this level. So this is a bearish indicator, like bearish indicator. So we have two bearish now, and then we have the what's it called, psychological level trend line, and then this candlestick makes it three. If you can check here, we have 1 2 3, and we have only one bullish. So that means we have more bearish than bullish. But this candlestick, this hanging man, is just a confirmation for me. It's not like one of my main or major conferences. So that's why I'm going to wait for a chart pattern to form right here at low of the week. But tomorrow I'm going to plot like new high and low of the week. But it depends on how the market behaves tomorrow. So this is the main reason why I want to go for a short right here. And the reason why I want to take like profit here is because it's the next psychological level, so it's a key level. That's all. And yes, tomorrow I'll update you guys. So thank you for watching, and yeah, tomorrow. So guys, good morning, good morning. Today is Monday 14th. So like I did my analysis yesterday, price eventually fell So yesterday I said price was going to fall, so um but I was expecting price to come up to this place before falling down. But price just fell down without even going up to this side because of this hanging man here. So price fell down. First of all, price came here and then retested my upward trend line and then gave us a a bearish engulfing and then fell down. So I think price will keep on falling down to this place, up to this place here. So once price gets to this level, I will look for a way to go long or buy. So these are my plan, like my analysis. If price gets to this point, then I'll expect to buy. I'll expect to buy, but it depends. It depends on what I see here. Yeah. So, guys, I'm still holding my sell bias. So I still want to sell, but like I've traced the Fibonacci retracement, and I see that price have reached this level already, like the 38.2% level, which is one of the very important levels of Fibonacci. So price have reached this level and price is already showing weak rejections and candlestick patterns right here. So this is like a candlestick, like I forgot the name, but this is showing a bearish trend that's coming. So I am seeing weak rejections and I'm also seeing like a kind of pattern that's trying to be printed here. So that's why I'm still holding my sell position. And yeah, so now we have many confluences that um, makes me think that we are going for a sell position, sell for a sell. So these are the confluences now. So I added another one, the Fibonacci retracement level. So it's bearish. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish and one bullish. So yeah. So I think we are still here for the buy, for the sell. Sorry. So yeah. So let's see what price does. But I think I'll go in for sell. I'm just waiting for a confirmation before I enter the position for myself. So I'll wait until 10:30 to see if there's any confirmation before I enter for a sell. Yo guys, so I just took a sell right at this position because price has started printing some bearish patterns here. So there are some weak rejection at this Fibonacci retracement level, 38.2%. So price has been printing some like weak rejections and I'm seeing some candlesticks that are like showing a bearish potential bearish trend reversal, and this is a Fibonacci retracement level. So I have enough confluences for me to enter, like to go for a sell. But since I'm already in the trade, let's just wait for it and let's see how it plays out. But for now, we have to wait and just see how the market plays out. And yeah. Yo guys, so here we are. So this trade is a little bit like stressful, but we don't have anything, like we don't have any choice, right? So we just have to hang in there until price reaches our take profit or our hit our stop loss. So this is one of my rules as forex trader. So if price doesn't move 50 pips or 30 pips in my favor, or if the price is just like stalling in my stop loss zone, then I'm not going to exit my position until price enter like in my favor, or goes 50 pips or 30 pips in my favor before I I can break even or maybe take like exit my position. Right here, we are seeing that price is printing an M pattern, which is one of my major confluences. So right now, we have all the confluences gathered already. We already know that we are going for a bearish, like a sell, because we have bearish confluences since like price is just like stalling around this psychological level since that's why we are in it for a sell. So now price has printed an M pattern which has more confluences to our sell. So right now you can see the M pattern. If I click on the line chart, you see the M pattern right on the psychological level, and we have the psychological level, and then we also have what's it called, my trend line, down trend line. So all the conferences are already gathered. The only mistake we made before was like we entered the position at this place before because we used the Fibonacci retracement level, which is not the main confluence that we use as forex traders, but we did use it, and that was not good from us as traders. We have to respect our like trade conferences, trading plan, and all of that, all of those things. So right now we just have to wait for the market to play out, and yes, forex is about sitting and looking. So let's just wait and see what will happen. Yo guys, I'm doing like I just want to show you guys that that trade was a loss. So I want to show you right here. So price, you know what price did? You can see it here, right? So remember I enter here, right? I enter here. Price went all the way back up to this place and gave me an M pattern here, and then price came down to this place. But as price was coming down to this place, I placed another trade at this level. I placed another um, buy position when price got to this level here. When price gave us this small bullish this thing here, so I entered, and then price came just here, just like some pips here, and then went all the way back up. I was doing something else like, and then my eyes were not on the chart, and when I came back I saw that price got here, and then I just allowed it to stop me out, and yeah, that's all for the trade. So it took a loss. So guys, I'm in a new trade and I'm selling again. For this one, my confluences are, I have the high of the week, the new high of the week here. So price got to this new high of the week. So sorry, price got to this new high of the week and printed the bearish engulfing pattern, candlestick pattern. And we also have the M pattern right here. If you want to see it clearly, you can see the M pattern on the trend line here, on the high of the week, and then we have the psychological level that's like around this place also. Yes, we have our trend line. If you draw a trend line, to definitely pass here. Like we can even move this trend line. Let's move it. All right. So I'll put it around here. Uh, Let me, okay, put it here, and then hold this and put this on here. So we have our new trend line right here, and then that's it. Alright, so this is our trend line, and the price is printing this pattern for us right now. So we have trend line, high of the week, chart pattern, psychological level, everything is gathered. So bro, I think we are in for a strong sell. So I think I'll add another position. So let's catch up later. So guys, like I told you before, I wanted to sell today. Like there's nothing that will make the market go up today because like my confidence are very strong, like more bearish than bullish. So that's the reason why I went for a buy today and see how the market played out. So now we are in profit and I want the price to reach to this level, like to reach this level before I exit my position. So yeah, that's it for today. And I hope the market will reach this level, which is the low of the week. So after market reach this level, I'm exiting my position. So yeah, that's it.